Hi friends, I'm Sapna Agarwal, Creative Director at ANSA Architecture and Interior Design Consultancy, and today we are at Kalyan Vihar जहाँ पे हमने एक फ्लोर किया था. The total covered area is about 1350 square feet. So this is a perfect example of how small can be capacious. We have 3 bedrooms set here with every detail, everything managed on, everything in a place and a place for everything. Let's have a look at the house. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this house. If you have any comments, anything, any questions that you want to ask us, do leave it in the comments section. And of course, you can contact us for architecture and interior design consultancy. See you next Wednesday. Bye.